welcome to Harmony Garden, here in Lusada Agbara by Live High Limited. This is a location I will not want anyone to miss. In fact, I will not even want your children to miss. And it's still at over 50% discount and also below the market price. And this location is strategically located in the midst of development. If you look around, you will see that people are living in this vicinity. So this is a location that I will not want you to miss for anything, because the price is still very affordable right now. And we have different plot sizes. We have 150 square meter, 300 square meter, 600 square meter, and we have 3 plots at half acre and also 6 plots for an acre. So please, this is a location I will not want anyone to miss. It's superb. You can see the topography of what we have here. This is 100% dry. You are not doing rafting here, you are not doing piling. 100% dry. And here there is no land grabber, is not under government acquisition. It is free. And that's one thing you know and you enjoy Live High for. We will not give to you land that will cause you issue. We always deliver to you properties with peace of mind. Peace of mind. So please, you are welcome to Harmony Garden by Live High Limited. Okay, so at this point, I want to welcome my MD to tell us what you should not miss.
Good morning, everybody. I want to appreciate each and every one of us for making yourself available. And then I want to believe that we have 2 categories of people here. So we have investors and we also have realtors, our consultants. I want to appreciate you for making your Saturday out like this. As somebody that actually wants prosperity for each and every one of us, and at the same time each and every one of us we desire to progress more in terms of our life career. So these kind of days shouldn't be taken for granted at all. So I want to welcome you to Harmony Gardens, Lusada Agbara. And what we have in mind here is peace, progress, and prosperity. Now, the word harmony means, unity, coming together, having common goals, or maybe one pursuit together in such a way that we all achieve our desire. So, as we are coming from Aton down to this Lusada, we did not spend more than 5 minutes drive. So we can say from Aton to this place, it's probably about 15-16 minutes drive. It has been measured, and that's what we are offering you. Now we have some acres here available, and there are some carved dreams that we have, as a company concerning this particular location. And what we also have is that as you finish your payment, we are experiencing from today instant allocation. And just let me explain what instant allocation means. Instant allocation means after you have made your payment, the preparation of documents, parcelation and what have you will be done in between. And some of these documents are not done in our office. We have professionals that do this work with us. So in the space of 2 weeks to 4 weeks, we have your land fully delivered. Now, we actually have much more than 3 locations in this place, and we'll be sincere with you. But this is a place that is good for investments. Now, one good thing about this place is that it has close proximity to nothing less than 2 tertiary institutions. Now, very close to us here is Crawford University, and at the same time close to us here, Institute of Science and Technology, Igbesa, very close to us here. And then very close to us here also we have several industrial areas, several industrial properties. Several industrial properties. I was showing the people that were in the same bus with me. I said from when we enter Lusada down to this place, left and right have been fully taken. If you are so observant, you'll be seeing corner piece, you'll be seeing fence, you'll be seeing corner piece, you'll be seeing fence. And then right from where we saw, there is a block walk that we saw there, down. That's where the property actually, starts from. So what we are having here, you can see, I don't need to tell you that this is 100% dry. You get what I'm trying to say. So this is the best time to key in. And then we have this property parcellated into several square meters, 150, 300, 600 acres, and the water view. Do you understand me? So what we have here is a very good stuff for each and every one. Now, we call this first season of the year. So, and at first season, we have a price for it. So, whoever will be watching this video, I want to say that at this particular time, whose number appears on the video is actually doing you a whole lot of good. I will be sincere with you. Because what you are buying into peace, you are buying into progress, and you are buying into prosperity. This price is much more below the market value. Not because we are doing a giveaway as a company, Lepi Limited, the owner of Lepi Homes and Property, but because of our desire to see people taking advantage of this prosperity offer. Of course, we all know the situation of the country, but maybe I need to also let us know that the situation of the country can never be the reason why you don't make it in life. Are you getting it now? Because even in this country, we have people taking bold steps and at the same time achieving what they desire to achieve. So as investors or as consultants or as somebody that have interest to grow their real estate or property portfolio, Harmony Gardens, Lusada Agbara is your best choice. And then for any information at all, please just get across. We are here to serve you. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
Hello people, my name is Joy Isaac Adebayo.
My name is Engineer Shobi Oluwole Abayomi. I'm a civil and environmental engineer.
I'm here at Lusada Agbara.
First thing you got to look at is the topography. The topography is perfect, and then you look at the location. Have access to the market, access to the road, access to industrial area.
There's a University of Technology around this place. There is a Nestle. There are other companies. And don't forget, it's even very close to the border.
And then again, you have a lot of land all around it, and then there's a little community around that are existing. Then you see electrifying poles, you see a reasonable road layout, a good road networking. And what I'm just trying to tell you in a nutshell is that this Harmony Estate at Lusada Agbara is a perfect area that anybody can habit. It is a good place for habitation because the terrain, the topography, the road network, nearness to the market, nearness to infrastructure, nearness to industrial estate. When you come along Agbara Estate, you can tell me in Ogun State is one of the areas that the industry are mostly situated for Ogun State. So there is a opportunity for a quick development in this.
This place, it's an offer. Even if I see my enemy and I know them, I think I would love them to key into it.
So I'm encouraging anybody that want to invest as a realtor or want to put his money, let them come now to Harmony Estate to come and invest and to build your home that you can call your place to inhabit. Thank you very much.
Change.